So if you want to recondition a whiteboard and you have some old markings, writings on it, you want to clean that up. The internet says you could use Googone. So I got this Googone. It actually says Pro Power. Seems like clean everything. Is that everything? Let's give it a try. So I'm going to spray this board with Googone. And I'm just going to soak that and see if the Googone is going to clean the old markings. So I have just soaked this whiteboard in the Googone for about 15 minutes already. And it's, I don't know if the Googone is going to completely clean this up. So let's find out. So I have the white towel and just going to wipe it and see if the marking gone away. Ooh, as you can see, the Googone doesn't clean the marking on the whiteboards. So that mystery busted. So somebody says you can use a Googone to clean the markings on the whiteboard, and it's completely wrong. Bam. Tossed away.